real prices. All 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Because looking good and feeling good, that's elfing amazing.
1223 at KNX, and just about 2 minutes away from your next check of the freeways out there. And caring for canines, our KNX Hero of the Week is going the extra mile for abused and neglected Golden.
They are known for their personality. Golden Retrievers are kind, trusting, and gentle. They are great with families, and many become service dogs. But sometimes the dogs are in a situation that's not the best. So volunteers like Tycan or Sari get involved. The Southern California Golden Retriever Rescue is a nonprofit that places dogs in need, both domestically and overseas, into forever homes. And Tycan is their international coordinator.
I oversee the majority of the international dogs coming in.
In certain cases, the Goldens arrive at LAX on a plane from thousands of miles away. Over the years, they've been rescued from places like China, Turkey, and South Korea.
From meat farms, high-kill shelters, sometimes its owner surrenders.
Tycan leads the LAX welcome party.
We do a big breeding right at Tom Bradley International Terminal, and we have an area where we can give them food and water, stretch their legs, potty them, and then they're put in cars and taken to our local vet where they are completely rechecked out before they go into a foster home and then put up on the website for adoption.
Kate Oakland has volunteered with Tycan during one of the greetings.
You know, you can imagine it's a little bit like herding cats with the chaos of LAX, but I was blown away at how someone had the organizational skills and the tenacity of a drill sergeant, but the personality of a golden retriever. She not only loves the dogs, but she's amazing with people. She also has a full-time job, she has a husband, and then to do this, I mean, she wears a ton of hats, and I think she does them all very admirably.
The Golden Retriever Rescue finds homes for over 300 international and each year. Tycan says this year they have already saved 30 dogs from South Korea, including the Golden they are transporting this month.
You know, they've been let down by humans, and to see the love in their eyes, the wagging of their tails, knowing that we're helping them find a new forever family, that humankind has not let them down.
Tycan Arsari is a core member of the rescue. She's a leader when it comes to fundraising, and she's our KNX Hero of the Week.
A lot of people ask, why a Golden Retriever rescue? Why do Goldens need rescuing? There's a lot out there that do need rescuing, and we do our best to save what we can.
KNX Heroes are brought to you by the Wallace Firm, winning in the courtroom and in our community. You can hear this story once more at knxnews.com/heroes. I'm Heather Jordan, KNX News 97.1 FM.
KNX traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 5. Let's get the latest now. Here's Lou Stowers.
Two signalers on the chalkboard right now. First one in Long Beach on the 91 West transition to the South 710. And the transition is closed until about 1 a.m. And this is for a multi-vehicle entry crash, including an SUV on its roof. And traffic is being diverted to the northbound 710. And then our second signaler is just down around the block in Lakewood. This is on the southbound side of the 605 at Del Amo. A 3-vehicle crash, and that's blocking lanes. CHP is going to be running a traffic right there. In Hollywood, on the 101 north of Hollywood Boulevard's off-ramp, there's a white vehicle that stopped in lanes, and there's a man out of the vehicle trying to wave traffic around him, so just look out for that. And also seeing a lot of slowing still on the Hollywood Freeway on the southbound side between Western Avenue and the 4-level interchange. Also on the northbound side of the 110, continuing to the northbound 101. Lots of traffic. It is slow from about Pico all the way up and around the corner there. And also seeing some slowing in Pasadena. This is we have a crash working there on the southbound side of the 110 at York Boulevard. A car in the right shoulder wall blocking the right lane. Next report is coming up at 12:35 in the Irvine Auto Center, 24-hour traffic center.
Cloudy this morning, and then becoming partly cloudy. Highs will be in the low to mid-70s right now in Los Angeles. We've got 65 degrees, and on the way on KNX, among the stories you will hear, hundreds of people hit the streets of L.A. demanding the resignations of council members De Leon and Cedillo. It's 12.
Greg wakes up at 5, gets the coffee going for his wife, and goes for a run. He showers and puts on Dove Mint Plus Care Dry Spray Antiperspirant. By 7, he's doing school drop-off and headed to work. Later, as he grills dinner for the family, he thinks,
another great day taking care of them and taking care of me. And I still feel fresh and dry thanks to Dove Men Dry Spray.
Dove Men Plus Care Dry Spray for 48-hour freshness. Goes on instantly dry. Clean feel all day.
Every year, we say we'll wake up earlier, exercise more, really rest, and eat healthier. It's hard for us, but for dogs, not so much. Dogs are up at dawn, run for fun, sleep like champs, and they love eating fresh, healthy food every single meal. Give your dog another healthy habit. Real fresh food from the Farmer's Dog. Get 50% off your first box at thefarmersdog.com/radio.
I sense you want out of a relationship.
Yes, with my big name wireless carrier. That's why I switched to Xfinity Mobile. They can even save you hundreds a year on your wireless bill.
I definitely foresaw holes.
Start seeing savings today. Switch to the fastest mobile service, Xfinity Mobile. Now with the best price on 2 lines of unlimited, just $30 a line per month. Xfinity Internet Required. Price comparison between 2 lines and available on your price plans with all three payers. Tax fees extra. Reduces speeds of 20 gigabytes per use of real full cost analysis of mobile Wi-Fi and cellular data. The speed test intelligence Bluetooth 2022.
Is for every eye, lip, and face. Your originality is our inspiration. From full-on maximalist to fresh-faced minimalist, we have a product for everyone and every look in between. Featuring viral products like our Halo Glow Liquid Filter, Power Grip Primer, Glossy Lip Stain, and more. Check out the latest game-changing beauty trends. Your social feed, we make the best of beauty accessible with high-quality products at Get Real prices. All 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Because looking good and feeling good, that's elfing amazing.
Liam Maitland, foodie champ here for Trimark. Trimark has been partnering with independent restaurateurs and many of my favorite chefs in Northern California for over 55 years. Trimark's extremely knowledgeable and experienced sales staff built their careers as chefs and product specialists in the food service industry. Trimark's #1 goal is to bring your innovative product solutions to help your hospitality business thrive. Trimark provides it all: food service equipment, supplies, and design. Visit TrimarkWest.com.
This is KNX News, 97.1 FM.
The people.
Voices you trust.
12:30, I'm Art Sanders. Good morning. People filled the streets of LA demanding the council address anti-indigenous and anti-black racism by pressuring the 2 council members involved in the leaked audio scandal to step down.
The crowd of 500 people, posters read, Indigenous and proud, Hawkins against racism.
Why was it important to be out here with your 2? It was important for me to show her how beautiful and big our community is, to never be ashamed.
Says that leaked audio was a grim reminder of racism in the Latino community.
The racism has been ongoing for many, many, many years, and I know that my parents face racism because they're indigenous, even within our own Hispanic community, and to have people of leadership talk the way they do and have that is like ignorance.
People say they won't give up until council members Bill Cedillo and Kevin De Leon step down. Reporting from City Hall, Natalie Tavidian, KNX News 97.1 FM.
Officials are now focusing on fixing the underlying problem, how to root out the power desires of elected officials when it comes to drawing council district lines.
The short-term solution, according to outgoing city attorney Mike Fuhrer, would be for voters to approve in the special election next spring the use of LA County's independent redistricting commission to draw city council district lines that would apply during the 2024 election cycle. And in 2024, put changes on the ballot that would set up an LA City version of that independent panel and make sure it isn't compromised by political insiders appointed by council members.
You could have the city clerk or some other non-elected official oversee this process that I described. It ultimately results in a random selection of people.
Among other reforms being suggested, expanding the size of the council from 15 to between 27 and 30 members to ensure more localized focus and representation for citizens. At LA City Hall, Pete Demetrio, KNX News, 97.1 FM.
A suspect in custody linked to a series of fatal shootings in Stockton. Stockton Police Chief Stanley McFadden says his department has been on a mission to track down this serial killer.
We will use every resource at our disposal to make sure the people of our city are protected and feel safe, and that no parent has to worry about taking their kids to a park, that nobody will have to worry about looking over their shoulder when they go to the grocery store, and that our unhoused population here in the city of Stockton will be able to rest a little bit easier tonight.
There have been at least 6 murders, 5 in Stockton, 1 in Oakland. The police say the suspect was out hunting at the time of his arrest. A grim sight Friday night in